Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 12th, our word of the day is Hovel. H-O-V-E-L. Hovel. Hovel is a 5-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. A hovel is a small home that is dirty and in bad condition. In other words, a small, very humble house, a wretched hut. It can also be a small shed or dwelling, often messy, cramped, and crudely built, such as a shelter in a refugee camp or possibly your apartment if you have too much stuff and not enough time to clean. Similar words include cottage, hut, shack, shanty, burrow, den, dump, hole, hutch, pigpen, rat hole, rat trap, shed, stall, sty. Examples of sentences using hovel are: compared to the manor house, their own modest home seemed like a hovel. Their house was little more than a hovel. She works out of a hovel, it is a broken down building, just a shack, she said. Maria and Seb were brought up in a hovel with a mud floor, and only one room was shared with the donkey and the goat. His eyes were fixed on the ruined hovel. I went for a living-in job, but the room I was given was a hovel. Make sure to save this new word, hovel, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.